Class 4 computer. Okay, let's start the remaining part. Okay, so today we'll start from here. Find and replace command. MS Word allows you to search for specific words in your document as well as font, special characters and formats. So MS Word allow you to search for specific words, documents, fonts, special characters and formats. The find and replace command helps us save a lot of time effort. Okay, it helps a lot of time. Using the find command, the step to search a specific word or phrase are as follows. What you will do to find a specific word or phrase? Now see. Click on the home tab. In the editing group, click on the find button on the left side of the window. A navigation pane will appear. This is a navigation pane will appear. Type a word or phrase you want to find in or search. You have to type that. As you type the word or phrase, the matching text will be getting highlighted. Now, use up or down arrow key to scroll through the search result. Now, when you are done, close the navigation pane. You have to close the navigation pane after it is done. Replacing the text. If you find a word or phrase that can be replaced it with a new word or phrase, the step to do so are as follows. What you will do now, see. Click on the home tab. In the editing group, click on the replace button. You have to click on the replace button. The find and replace dialog box will appear. Replace dialog box, find and replace dialog box is this, it will appear. Type of word, phrase and format in the find what box you want that you are searching for. Type the word, phrase or format in the replace with box, which will replace what is find word box. Click the find next to continue your search. Okay, when your word find a word or phrase, you can do one for the following. Now ignore it, click on replace. Now click on replace all to replace every occurrence of the selected text with the replacement text. Click find next to bypass it and find the next occurrence of the text. Click cancel to quit. You have to cancel to quit. This is how you will replace the text. Now spellings and grammar. Next comes spellings and grammar. As you type MS Word, immediately call your attention to spellings and grammar error. MS Word checks spellings as we type. A red wavy line indicate that either the spelling is incorrect or the word is incorrect, and a blue wavy line indicate that the grammatical error is there. Okay, so blue wavy line for grammar, red for spelling. The spellings and grammar features helps us to remove any grammatical or spelling mistake in the text. We can check the grammar and spelling of the words in our entire document or in a part of it. Now see. The step to use the spelling and grammar features are as follows. Now, point the cursor at the location where you want to check the spelling or select the part of the document for which you want to check the spelling. Click on the review tab. In the proofing group, click on the spelling and grammar button. The spelling pane appears on the right side of the window. Choose one of the following options depending on MS Word suggestion. Click on ignore if there is no suitable suggestion. Click ignore all to continue the checking of documents but leaving all the instance of the highlighted words unchecked in the entire document. Click on a suggestion displayed in the suggestion list box and click on change. Click on the change all button to change the word in the entire document. Click on add button to add a word in the MS Word dictionary. Okay, this is the entire things that you, as you desire, what you wish, you have to do according to that way, your wish. On clicking the desired button, the spelling checker takes the action and then highlight the next incorrect word. Repeat the above two steps until the message box appears showing that message spellings and grammar checks completed. Until and unless the spelling and grammar checks completed, you have to do. You are doing good to do. You are good to go. Then you can go to the next button. Click on the OK button. Alternative. You can also press F7 key to run for spelling and grammatical features. Shortcut F7. Thesaurus. What is this? Thesaurus. Thesaurus. Now, words that built in the features called the thesaurus that provide a list of synonyms and antonyms for any word. List of synonyms and antonyms will occur if you for the thesaurus for any word. Following are the steps to use the thesaurus features. How will you use the thesaurus features? Now see. Select the word for which you want to find the synonyms or antonyms. Okay. Click on the review tab. Click on the thesaurus button in proving group. The thesaurus pane will with a list of synonyms will appear on the right side of the window. Select the desired word for the list. select the word will be replaced with a new word. Then your word will be replaced with the new synonyms or antonyms, whichever you want to do. Okay, this is the use of thesaurus. Clear? So we have finished the chapter. So undo means cancel, redo means repeat. Undo is the cancel, redo is repeat. Control plus F, find and replace dialogue. F7 is spelling and grammar, proofing is thesaurus. Control F, find and replace dialog box. Control plus F. Okay, so we have finished the chapter. This much we have finished. Okay, for today, this much. Thank you.